Want to boost your productivity without switching between 5 different tools? In this video, we'll show you how Notion AI can help you work faster, think better, and automate the boring stuff, all inside a single workspace. Let's dive in. Notion AI is an intelligent writing and task assistant built directly into Notion, one of the most popular all-in-one productivity tools. It helps you brainstorm, write, summarize, and organize your ideas faster than ever. From summarizing meeting notes to generating blog drafts, answering questions, or translating content, Notion AI is like having ChatGPT inside your workspace. It can even autofill tables, fix grammar, and rewrite content in different tones. If you're a content creator, you can use it to outline and draft scripts. If you're in business, it can help automate reports, simplify documentation, and speed up planning. Students use it for research, note-taking, and rewriting assignments faster. What makes Notion AI powerful is that it saves you time by keeping everything in one place. No more copy-pasting between tools, it works seamlessly within your notes, tasks, and databases. It's not perfect, formatting can break, and it's not ideal for very technical writing. But for most users, it's a huge time saver. If you're already using Notion, turning on the AI feature could seriously level up your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews every week. See you in the next one.